Hi, I'm Allison. I help people declutter their homes and lives for better living, selling, packing, and moving. And one of the things that I think people find really confusing are documents, whether they're filing them digitally or they've still got the paper versions. It's how long do I keep this? Luckily, once you know, it makes going through this and decluttering them and organizing them a total breeze. So stick with me and I'll let you know. The following are all paper documents, and these are the items you really should be keeping indefinitely. Birth and death certificates, divorce papers, life insurance policies, marriage licenses, military discharge documents, social security cards, and wills and living wills. The only other items that you really should keep indefinitely are items that are pertaining to you having either not paid your taxes when you should have or knowingly defrauding on your taxes when you shouldn't have, or just pay your taxes and what's due and you don't have to worry about that last part. All of the documents I just talked about are going to be tangible documents. They're going to be paper. Please do not upload them onto your computer and then shred them or toss them away. These are tangible ones that you need to keep the tangible version. The other thing is you need to keep them in a safe area. I always recommend either getting a safe deposit box at a bank or investing in a safe in your home, one that is waterproof and one that is fireproof. It doesn't have to be super heavy or super large, just something that you can store these items in because you do not want to lose them, because it's a major pain in the butt to try and get a new copy if you do lose them.